Here at our acrylic factory, every sheet, every product starts from precision manufacturing. With large-scale production lines and strict quality control, we are committed to delivering high-quality acrylic products to customers worldwide. Our product range covers everything from acrylic sheets, creative crafts, customized display stands, to durable advertising materials. Whether it's for retail, decoration, or industrial use, our acrylic solutions fit a wide variety of applications. With fast delivery, OEM and ODM customization, and competitive wholesale pricing, we ensure that our partners can grow their business with confidence. Our flexible production allows us to meet both small batch and large-scale orders efficiently. Of course, we look forward to launching more innovative acrylic solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the market. Today, our acrylic products are exported to over 50 countries, including the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. We are proud to be the trusted supplier behind many global brands and distributors. Factory direct supply, global delivery, and tailor-made acrylic solutions. Senpu Acrylic help wholesalers and brand owners expand their markets faster and more efficiently. Partner with us, your trusted global acrylic supplier.